QuickBooks provides built-in financial statements including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, which you can customize for multi-year analysis. To access these financial statements, click Reports in the left-hand menu. Choose from options like Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, or Cash Flow Statement. QuickBooks will generate a default report for the current fiscal year. To analyze data across multiple years, use the Date Range drop-down to select a multi-year period, such as the last 2 years, last 3 years, or a custom date range. In the Display Columns by drop-down, select Year to show data for each year side by side. Check Another Period to display previous years for easy year-over-year comparison. Optional filters allow you to focus on specific aspects, such as customer, project, or location performance. Click Save Customization to memorize the report for future use. Once your multi-year financial statements are generated, review the data to gain valuable insights into your business. To analyze multi-year financial statements, review year-over-year trends. Look at the key metrics like revenue, gross profit, and operating expenses to assess consistent growth or changes. For example, you can compare revenue growth and expense patterns to identify rising costs like labor or materials. Pinpoint years with exceptional performance or challenges, understanding external factors that contributed. Review multi-year cash flow statements to assess liquidity trends and long-term financial sustainability. Evaluate your business against industry standards to measure competitive performance. Use the data to identify long-term trends for planning and forecasting. Once analyzed, share multi-year financial statements with your team, stakeholders, or investors for further discussion. Click Export to download the report in PDF or Excel format for sharing. You also have the option to use the email option in QuickBooks to send the report directly to recipients with a message. For face-to-face meetings, you can print the report for distribution. You can also automate report delivery by scheduling regular delivery of multi-year reports, such as on a quarterly or an annual basis. Multi-year financial statements are essential for strategic planning and forecasting future growth. To use these statements for planning, set long-term goals. Use insights from the analysis to set realistic growth targets and revenue goals based on past performance. Develop financial forecasts. Use historical trends to create accurate forecasts for revenue, expenses, and cash flow. Adjust budgets. If expenses have risen unexpectedly, adjust your future budgets to improve profitability. Plan capital investments. Analyze cash flow to determine when to invest in new equipment, products, or expansion.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.